Baker, compassionate leader, honest livelihood, just ruler, love, son. A baker in the dream represents peacefulness and a lucrative life. One who bakes bread on top of limestone in the dream represents a happy and a good person who entices people to work and earn honest income from their own sweat. If he receives money for his bread in the dream, it means that he has made preaching to others his main source of income. Seeing oneself as a baker in a dream means becoming wealthy and prosperous.
Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to receive more videos from this channel.
Baker, Part 2. If one sees himself buying bread from a baker and if the baker does not look at how much money is tendered in the dream, it means that the baker is a noble man, and he is capable of doing good deeds without anticipating a reward. A baker in a dream also represents someone who brings benefits to others, for they all need him. Receiving a loaf of bread from a baker in a dream means earning an honest income. If one who is not a baker sees himself baking bread and selling it to people in a dream, it means that he solicits customers for a prostitute. The profession of a baker in a dream also involves talks, disputes and energy. Yawning, slumberous. In a dream, yawning means an illness or an affliction. It also represents an insolent act that pleases Satan. Yawning in a dream also means a surprise charge at one's enemy. It also means a reward, because it prevents the person from speaking. Yawning in a dream also means a terminal illness.